Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do a teardown of RGB LED light bar. This is an ambient music or sound activated RGB LED light bar. You can see in these short clips how it works. It is mainly used for decoration. You can put it near your PC or inside your car so that whenever you are listening to your favorite music, light bar will dance on the music. Before we get into details, I have a request. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I am creating many interesting videos every month. So hit the notification bell now so that when I upload a new video, you get to see them first. I have ordered this RGB LED bar from Amazon for about 1000 Indian rupees, and this is how it comes in a package. It is 18 cm in length and has 32 RGB LEDs. As you might have already guessed, these are digitally addressable RGB LEDs. But wait, I will show you and explain you everything that is inside. There are three buttons, one for power on off, second one to change the color. There are multiple colors you can choose. And the third one is for selecting the type of pattern you would like LED to dance on. USB-C interface is there to charge the battery and power RGB LED bar. In this package you also get this double-sided tape so that you can stick LED bar to your table or monitor. A manual that lists all the features, LED parameters, and instructions on how to use it. They have also given QR code, so you can scan this QR code and install the app with the help of which you can control the LED bar. And the last one is a plastic stand. I forgot to show you how to power on and power off the LED bar. So if you long press LED bar, when it is on, it will power off the LED bar. And similarly, to power on from power off state, you need to long press power button and it will power on. Now without further delay, let us take it apart. It is very easy to open. Just pull this plastic and then pull the LED plastic cover and everything will come out. You can see on one side of the PCB you have 32 RGB LEDs. And on the other side, 3 switches, battery and circuitry is there. And these are plastic buttons. Hole for mic and USB connector. And these are some close-up pictures. When you plug USB in power off state, you will be able to see battery charge status on these 4 green LEDs. And during charge, it consumes 200 milliampere. Now let us see what is there on the PCB. I have gone through all the parts mounted on the PCB using my magnifier lens, and here is what I have got. This is a block diagram that shows the architecture of the hardware. Very first thing is USB-C connector. 5 volt enters from here and goes to the diode. The series diode is used to drop 5 volt to 4.5 volt. A Schottky diode SS14 is used. It is capable of 1 ampere and has a forward drop voltage of 0.5 volt. 4.5 volt from Schottky diode section goes directly to the battery charger. It is LTC 4054. It can take 4.5 to 6.5 volt input and can charge up to 4.2 volt with maximum 600 milliampere. But in this LED bar, charging current is 200 milliampere, as I have already shown you. Charging current is set to 200 milliampere using configuration resistor. A lithium-ion battery is used which has a capacity of 250 mAh. After battery, voltage rail is connected to the low drop voltage regulator which generates 3.3 volt to power the main circuit. This regulator can work from approximately 3.5 to 4.2 volt battery voltage and can supply maximum 200 milliampere. It has very low drop of 200 millivolt. Next is a mic which is used to sense the ambient audio signals, and it is connected to MCU via digital interface. And here comes the MCU, heart of the whole solution. It uses ST17H66B2 MCU. It is a Bluetooth low energy SoC. This 32-bit MCU has ARM Cortex-M0 core and has 256 KB of flash and 64 KB of RAM. It features Bluetooth 5.2 working at 2.4 GHz. It is a low power MCU and has 4 microampere sleep current when RAM is retaining the content. It has a lot of other interesting features. Please read more in the datasheet. 3 keys are also there which are connected to the MCU. And finally, MCU is driving digitally addressable RGB LEDs. As the MCU has Bluetooth interface, company also provides an app with the help of which you can configure the RGB LED bar. You can go to the manual, scan the QR code and install the app. After installation is done, open the app, give necessary permissions, enable Bluetooth, and your app will start. On the top left corner, press the Bluetooth button and connect your LED bar, which will show up in a few seconds. After you have connected the device, you can go back and use the app. First screen you will see is for color management, where you can customize the color as per your taste. And the next screen is for the configuration. Here you can select light pattern, colors, speed with which light pattern will dance, and mic sensitivity. So guys, that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.